In real life, problems almost never happen in just one step. If you are planning a party, saving money, or buying more than one thing, you do not do everything at once. You solve one small part, then use that answer to solve the next part. Multi-step word problems in maths work the same way. They look longer, but they are really just several simple problems joined together. A multi-step word problem is a story problem that needs more than one calculation to answer the final question. That means there is usually a hidden question in the middle. You must find that first before you can finish the problem. If you stop after the first calculation, you often get an answer, but not the answer the question is asking for. To help with this, we use the break it down method. First, read the problem for the story. Do not touch the numbers yet. Ask yourself what is happening and what the final question is. Next, read it again for the maths. Look for the important numbers and notice when something is added or taken away. Then ask the most important question. What do I need to find first? That is the hidden step. After that, solve one step at a time in order. Finally, check that you have actually answered the question at the end of the problem. Bar models are a very helpful tool for this kind of thinking. A bar model is a simple drawing that shows what you have and what you need to find. It helps you see whether you should add or subtract, and it keeps your thinking organized. Instead of guessing an operation, you can look at the bar and see the maths in the story. Let's look at the school fair example. The school sold 1,250 tickets on Friday and 2,400 on Saturday. The goal was 5,000 tickets. The question is how many more tickets they need to sell. First, combine what we know. Friday and Saturday are two parts of the total sold so far, so we add them. 1,250 plus 2,400 equals 3,650 tickets sold so far. A bar model would show two parts joining to make that total. Next, compare that total to the goal. We subtract 3,650 from 5,000. That gives 1,350. They need to sell 1,350 more tickets. Keywords can help, but they are not magic. Words like altogether often suggest addition, and words like how many more or left over often suggest subtraction. However, you must always check the story. Sometimes you need to add more than two groups, or subtract first and then add. Thinking is more important than spotting a single word. The practice problems follow the same pattern. When Sam buys a laptop and a phone, you first add the amounts he spent, then subtract from his starting money. On the train problem, people get off first and then get on, so you subtract and then add. In the library problem, books are added and then lost, so the number changes step by step. With the bricks, you combine what the builder has and then compare it to the goal. Every time there is a middle step, you must not skip. The most common mistake is stopping too early. Another mistake is grabbing all the numbers and adding or subtracting without a plan. Bar models and clear steps help prevent both problems. Always read the last sentence again before you finish. The key ideas to remember are simple. Multi-step problems need more than one operation. Find the hidden question first, use bar models to turn a confusing story into a clear picture, never stop at the first answer. Careful, logical thinking matters just as much as fast calculation.